Look at. Can you see that? Welcome to Epossi Din Tips Kitchen. Can you see this delicacy, guys? Can you see this delicacy? This is fish, like fresh fish cooked in leaves. Are you seeing that? Oh my god. Look at. So guys, if you want to know how I made this delicacy, do you want to follow me to my kitchen? Let's cook together. We're going to dive in directly into the presentation of our ingredients for our fish cooked in leaves. So let's go in directly. You need 1 fresh tomato, habanero pepper, 3 garlic, 10 grains of njangsang pepper, some basil leaves, 3 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil, water, half red onion chopped, some perili, white and black pepper, salt and no-cube fish seasoning, and of course our 1 fish chopped into little sizes. So guys, you're going to dive in directly into the cooking of our dish. Preparation time. Guys, we're going to place everything inside our blender and blend. This dish is a traditional dish, one of the traditional dishes from Cameroon. It's really beautiful and tasty, you know, cooking with leaves. Oh my god. So we're going to add everything together. You're gonna add some water. Practically, this is a marinade you're making, and you blend. Okay, guys, so we have our marinades ready. You can see that. We're gonna keep it aside while we bring our fish. So in our fish, we're gonna add our fish seasoning, wanna add some black pepper, some white pepper, some salt, and our fish seasoning, no cube. I'm gonna add half for now, and in case I need more, I'm gonna add. So you want to stir everything together. You can see this is gonna After stirring all of that together, you want to add your marinades. Make sure you bring out everything. You're going to add your oil. You can see that beauty already, guys. The beauty of the oil. I want to taste it if it's okay before we keep it. Now I'm gonna add this other half. Make sure it dissolves completely. So basically what I'm doing is like I'm struggling to dissolve it with the marinade. And we're going to marinate for an hour. Exactly. Oh my god, it's so sweet. We're gonna cover this and keep it in the fridge for an hour. Guys, after 1 hour, here is our fish. Here are our leaves washed and clean already. I'm gonna use this already, so we're going to go into the cooking process. You need to look for something like a bowl that can actually take the fish. Yes guys, you see, you want to like create a hole in the middle, and we're gonna transfer our fish. To be very careful with the leaf because you don't want to tear them open completely. If not, you start losing the juice from your fish. So here is it. I'm gonna transfer. Guys, it has this signature taste, right? We have enough marinade. Just gonna add a little. And what I'm planning to do is like you want to fold everything together, like you fold. Fold like me. You use a rope, but I'm going to use a wrapper, a plastic, right? Because I don't have a rope. To make something like a knot at the top. So guys, basically here is what it looks like. Empty pot. We're gonna add a stand into our pot. We'll add some water. I will leave it to come to a boil. Guys, our water is already hot. We're going to add our fish and we'll let it steam for 20 to 25 minutes. Guys, after 25 minutes, our fish is ready. So what we're going to do right now, oh my god, I just burned my hand. We're going to remove this and keep already at the side. And here is a delicacy, guys. Here is a delicacy. We're gonna open through the leaf. I can't wait. It has a signature smell, you know, from the leaves, nature. Oh my god. Can you see that, guys? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's something else. Oh my god. I just feel like diving into it right now. Guys, can you see it? It smells nature. It smells, oh. So guys, have you seen this delicacy? Have you seen this delicacy? Cameroon dish from the Beti people. Have you seen? So if you're here and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe. You click on the notification bell. Like this video if you find it interesting. Leave your comments on the comment section. And I hope you enjoy this delicacy. And I'll see you in my next video. As of now, I'm out. Ciao.